Hey there, this is Mark, coming at you from the inside of my '01 Honda S2000. I am joined by Archer, my co-pilot. I just want to do this as a little introduction. I've been uploading just random videos to my YouTube for a while now, but I was thinking about trying to do more in-depth stuff and kind of vlog style stuff. So what I'll do now is kind of maybe a little montage of some photos and stuff, just kind of showing the progression of my car. The S2000 is my current track build. I think the channel is mostly just going to focus on building the car, taking it to events, going to car events and shows. Archer loves to go to car shows. He likes to do ride-alongs in the car. He's got his own little seatbelt, keep him safe in here. But yeah, I think channel will mostly be me and Archer hanging out, working on the car, going to events, me racing the car. I'd like to move on for building other cars other than the S2000. Big fan of older Japanese cars. Some other ones I'd like to do some builds on. I'd like to get another FC RX-7. I've had one of those before, loved it, miss it. Probably my favorite car I've ever had. Definitely would like to get a FD RX-7. I've also had a couple AE86s before. I'd like to possibly maybe find another one of those to do some sort of build on. Yeah, maybe start out with some stuff like that, see where it goes from there. I figure I'll do first is a little walk around of the car of how it currently sits. Right now we currently got Archer sitting in it. Not much going on in the interior. I got a Momo tuner steering wheel, Honda NSXR horn button, BMS carbon fiber shift knob, stock shifter. I got some cheap NRG buckets at the moment. They fit good. They fit me good, so they're staying right now. I do have some G-force 6-point harnesses that I keep tucked to the side because I still drive it daily some point. So I got a regular seatbelt in there. One of the first things I got was this carbon fiber hardtop. It is a Forbidden Mugen Rep. Love it. Really makes the car. As soon as I got that, I was convinced about the hardtop life. So there's currently no soft top in there. I got my daily driver wheels on it currently. These are old school work equips, pretty aggressive offset. But luckily my fenders and quarters are rolled and pulled, so rubbing is not an issue. I got some FD style side skirts. Upgraded the front end to the CR front. That is OEM front bumper, OEM lip. Got my tow hook mounted to the frame bar. I do have these Biro brake ducts molded into the front bumper. That's catching some brake hoses that can't really see well with these wheels on. There'll be some pictures in the slideshow. Currently brake wise, I am just running some centric blanks on some rebuilt caliper OEMs, on some Stop Tech track day pads. I got these R-Theory Motorsport hood vents. Put those in, cut the hood, riveted those on. I really like the way these look. Got a replica CR wing mounted to an extra trunk I had. Currently in the process of supposed to have a big wing lined up. I got an extra trunk I'll do for that. So that'll be coming off, have the big wing on there. Just recently did the rear bumper cut. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but I did it. No going back from there. The bumper did have some damage on it, so my feelings aren't too hurt about it. It wasn't a pristine bumper. Currently got a Skunk 2 catback exhaust on there. I'm looking to switch to just a single exhaust. Also have a Burke high flow cat further up on a stock header. Got my Coney Yellows with ground control coilovers. And that's about it. Under the hood is pretty stock. Shout out to the Manual Gearbox Preservation Society. And then my Instagram, This Fool Honda 2K. Under the hood, pretty stock. Just got a K&N filter added in there. Got this battery cover. Mark on Instagram, sorry I forgot your last name, but he makes these. They're awesome. Just put in some catch cans. Got a lot of blow by driving on the track. Got a little brake master brace over there from LHT. Got this strut bar that's supposed to be a crossbar, but it's a pain in the ass to take on and off when you're messing around with stuff, so I don't have the other part of that on. Upgraded radiator, stock fans. Have never had a heat issue with this. Just changed out the clutch master cylinder not too long ago. Pretty easy job. Other than that, only other thing done performance-wise is I did just switch to an AEM Series 2 in tune by Josh Madison, one ad S2K on Instagram. But yeah, that's about it. Do a little startup. And we'll get to the montage now.